All right, guys, welcome to point slope equation. This is another type of way to represent a line. Okay, how does the blue look? Okay, point slope form. And we're going to show you how we get point slope form, but the general equation is y minus y1 equals m times x sub 1. Okay, so the proof of this comes from really the slope-intercept form. We have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so what they really do here is they do something very simple. They switch out a general ordered pair, so they get rid of y2 and x2. And they say, well, that's not just that, that's just a ordered, that's a specific ordered pair. And so it looks like this now. So we're going to have minus y1 minus x2. So, or excuse me, or x1, excuse me, I'm sorry. And so what's going to happen here is now this is a general point in red here. That's a general point, and this is a specific point. And so what happens is they multiply each side of the equation. You're going to take this m, and it's going to get multiplied here. And it's going to get multiplied by x times, or excuse me, the quantity x minus x sub 1. And both sides of the equation are going to get that. So I'll go ahead and rewrite that. So we're going to have y minus y1 times, we'll put that in red, x minus x sub 1. And remember, that's a really bad parentheses. There we go. This was already over x minus x1. So this cancels, okay? And we have our nice, we'll go down a little bit, we have our nice formula. We're going to rewrite this as y minus y1 equals the quantity m times the quantity x minus x1, and that's where the proof comes in for the point slope formula. Okay, so let's just look at a couple quick examples. Okay, so the first example, write an equation of the line in point slope form where the slope is 3 and we go through the point 5, 2. So not too bad. We're going to start by writing our point slope formula. So we have m times the quantity x minus x1. Well, this is not a general point. This is a specific point they want, isn't it? So this is actually our x1 comma y1. It's not a general point. That's what the y and the x are. y1, x1 are a specific point. So by substitution, we leave y minus, I'll put parentheses around what I'm going to sub in. Okay, we have 3 we're going to sub in, and we're going to leave x minus. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use our substitution. We know that m is 3. We know that the x1 is the x1 is, or y1 is 2, and the x1 is negative 5. Okay, so we've substituted now. Now it's a matter of simplification. We have y minus 2 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 5. Now when you get into calculus and start writing tangent lines, this is going to be fine. A lot of teachers will say, oh, convert it to a slope-intercept form. That is fine. This is point slope. Okay, so that's how we use point slope. Let's look at one more example now, and we'll look at it when you just have 2 ordered pairs. So now they're going to make us work a little. And we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So first I need my slope. If I'm going to use point slope form, I need a point, I need the slope. So I'm going to have 8 minus 2 over 5 minus 3. So that becomes 6 over 2 with a slope of 3. Now I can write my equation, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. So now it's a matter of substitution. I can use either ordered pair. It does not matter. Okay, I'll go ahead and throw the 3 in there now. It doesn't matter either of these ordered pairs I use. I always use the first one I write down, which is, in this case, 3, 2. So minus. Let's do our substitution now. Our y1 value is 2. Our x1 value is 3. So there is our equation in point slope form. So there's only a couple ways they can give this to you. They can first give you the slope and a point, or they can just give you two ordered pairs. Then we got to do one extra step. We got to find the slope. They didn't give it to us. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just type them below or email me, and we'll see you next time.